Hey YouTube, what's up? Ryan here from Tech Entertainment, here to show you how to dual boot your Mac with Windows 7 or XP or Vista. This process will work for both of them on OS X Lion. So, let's go ahead and jump to it. So first you want to put in your Windows 7 disk, or your Windows disk. So then all you want to do is go up here to the search, and then type in boot space camp, and then right here boot camp assistant, just click on that. So what you want to make sure of, if you're using an iMac that uses Bluetooth stuff, you're going to want a manual mouse and keyboard when doing this, because your Bluetooth will not work until you install the drivers for the Windows. So what you want to do, you want to go continue, and then first off you want to uncheck Windows 7 down here and click download the latest Windows support software from Apple. And all you want to do, click on that, and then take out your Windows 7 disk, put in a blank CD, and then just burn it onto that. It'll all be done right in the Boot Camp Assistant. Just check it and hit continue and just follow the steps. So now next what you want to do, you want to go here to install Windows 7, then click on continue, and then this is where you partition it. So I'm going to go ahead and set 100 gigabytes for my window because I have a big hard drive. So once you hit install, it'll go ahead and start up the Windows 7 stuff. So I'll continue on a camera because it's going to stop my ScreenFlow recording. So see you in a second. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and click install. So there it goes. So it'll start to partition your hard drive. And this may take a while, so I'll go ahead and get back to you once this is done. And also, the setup for all of this will take about 30 to 40 minutes depending on your Mac, so just be patient when you're doing this and make sure you've got enough time to load up Windows onto your Mac. So I'll be back once this is done partitioning and starts something else. Alright, so once the blue bar started going up, it started going up pretty quick, so I'm going to start the recording again. So there you go. And it has partitioned. So what it is going to do is close, like reboot the Mac into the Windows startup. So yeah, just leave this running until it does that, I guess. So I'll probably cut some parts. So it's booting up now. So one thing I should mention, so how you switch from Windows 7 back to OS X, you're going to want to reboot it and hold the Option key on your keyboard, or Alt if you have a Windows keyboard, and then once it's rebooting, then it'll give you two options to choose from. So here it is, Windows is loading files. I don't think you can see that very well, but it says Windows is loading files. Oh, yeah, so just, yeah, right there. Yep. And just a quick reminder, I've stated this before, but you're going to want to do this. I'm just going to remind you again. Make sure you have a keyboard and a mouse that you can plug into the USB ports on your iMac, because Bluetooth will not work until you install the drivers. Alright, now it shows this starting Windows thing. And then there you go, you see the little balls flying, and yeah. Alright, so there is this. Alright, so now you go ahead and set it up. So English, next, and then go install now. So setup is starting, and then what you want to do, go accept, and then you want to go custom. So make sure you click on custom, and then you're going to want to go down to the boot camp partition right here. So it may be a different kind of partition for you, but make sure you click on the one that says boot camp. Alright, so you're going to want to click here on format, go OK, and then there you go. So now your partition is now formatted for Windows 7, but make sure it's the same partition that used to say boot camp right here. And then go ahead and click next, and then it'll go ahead and install Windows. Alright, so I waited about 3 minutes until the expanding Windows files started moving up. So just to let you know, it is a little bit of a wait before the expanding Windows files starts to show you that the percentage is going up. Alright, just quick checkup. Been about 5 minutes since it started up, and it's about 83%. So make sure you got something to do. Alright, so just about done. It's at 95%. Since last time, it's only been about a minute, so it starts speeding up here near the end. And right up here at the top, it says your computer will restart several times during the installation, so don't worry if it restarts. Alright, so let's see what it does. And then it'll install the updates, looks like. Alright, those are done. And then let's see what happens. Alright, so now it's about to restart. So let's just restart it. And there it goes. So it will restart right up back into Windows here. And there it goes, starting Windows. Those things flying up again. Alright. Now it says setup is updating registry settings. Setup is starting services. Alright, now it's back here at the install Windows thing, and it's on the completing installation part. This will work with any computer that is running Lion, by the way. Alright, so it's been 3 minutes or so, 2.5, and it will say setup will continue after restarting your computer. There I am. Hello. And I'm gone again. Alright, so back at the starting Windows thing again. Now it says setup is checking your video performance. Before it said preparing your computer for first use. So here we go. And now we're up and running. So let me go ahead and put in my name. Alright, and then next. And password. Alright. And then this is where you put in your product key. So go use recommended settings or whatever you want to use. And then let's go ahead and put it into my time. Where are you? Mountain time. And let me check the time right here. Okay, next. And here's my internet. So you can just hook up right there. Alright, and home network. Alright, now it is finalizing your settings. Welcome. And then preparing your desktop. Alright, and here's my desktop. As you can see, it is a very low resolution at first. So, since you're not going to be able to eject your disk, you're going to want to go in here to my computer, right click, and then click on eject. So there we go. And then what you're going to want to do is insert your disk that you downloaded, the Boot Camp Windows drivers or Windows software. So let me go ahead and insert that. So it is a pretty big install, it looks like. So since I put 100 gig, it's set around 93.4, and I've got around 65.3 gig left. So as you can see right here, it reads that it is a boot camp disk. So what you're going to want to do, open that, click on yes, and then right here, preparing to install, run setup, yes. Alright, now welcome to the boot camp installer. Cancel. Okay, so all you want to do is click next, click I accept, next, make sure that is checked right there, and click on install. So what this will do is install all of the drivers, so your Bluetooth, your video cards, and your sound, and everything is going to work, and then you can use your old mouse and keyboard. Unless, yeah. So it's pretty quick. So now it's installing the driver for the video right now. So yeah, I'll be back once this is done. Alright, so now it's gone into this, where it's just moving stuff, putting it there, and there we go. Now just click finish, and then you must restart your system. So alright, let's go ahead and restart. Alright, and here we are. It's starting Windows. There's the orb things yet again, which you're going to see quite a bit of while installing this. And there we go. We are all set up. Let's see if the other mouse works. Well, the mouse is not working at the moment. Oh, there it goes. Alright, so now your Bluetooth mouse works and the keyboard works. So let's go ahead and log in. It is working, and I have a 27-inch iMac, and it has the standard resolution that high, which is crazy. I didn't think it would do that. So now you are running Windows, and everything is working out perfectly fine. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you found it helpful, and please subscribe if you like our videos. Check out our other stuff, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. So one more thing I thought I should show you. Let me go ahead and shut it down. So I'm going to show you how to get back into Mac OS X. So then, what you want to do, once you turn it on, you want to hold the Option button on your keyboard, or the Alt button. Just hold that, and there you go, right here. So you can just go over Mac, Windows, and the recovery. So I'm going to jump back into Windows, and there you go, little Apple logo right there, showing that it is getting in. And you do the exact same thing to get back into Windows. Just turn it off, hold Alt, and click Windows. Alright, here we are, and we are back in OS X. Well, again, thanks for watching, and hope you found this helpful, and please subscribe, as it'll help us out. Leave a comment if you have a question, and check out our other stuff. Alright, I'll see you next time.